All right, preparing for a compression test. Spark plugs from cylinder number 1 and 3 are wet with oil, but the actual burn doesn't look bad on any of these. Well, that's positive, but these are obviously new plugs, Wick.
Right.
I swear to God, the rust on them is very classic looking. The patina is perfect.
Yeah.
They must be new old stock.
Yeah, that's what they were.
Cylinder 1, part 3. Go for it, Wick. Okay. 90 PSI, cylinder 1.
That's good.
Oh yeah, that's so right. Cylinder 2.
Right?
Hit it, Wick. All right, you're good. 115. All right, cylinder 3. Fire away, Wick. Okay. Good. About 97. All right, cylinder 4. Hit it, Wick. All right. 90.